Let's take a look at Palo Alto networks. So it's been going up, obviously, for a long period of time. Then we've had this acceleration. But this big candle here is a bit of a warning sign that something's not right. This is on a weekly time frame. Now, the last time it had a really big range down candle was this one. So you can see here, big push down and then gap up, and then it kind of led to this acceleration. So is it likely to do the same again? So let's just have a look at some fibs first. So this swing here, local swing high, local swing pivot low, and we just project this up. We can see here that if we make this a little bit tighter here, and this a little bit tighter, we can see here that these levels were respected on the way up. This in particular here, capped price, and the 127 was the target, and actually it ended up acting as support, and that was the acceleration up. So if we just bear that in mind, we can see if we look at the final, well, this could either be 1, 2, 3, pull back 4, and then one final, or this could be the 5 up. So if we just look at this as the fib extension points here, we've got a similar scenario here, which is that this 141 here has capped price, and that was really the thing that sold price down, but it's actually stopped at the fib level here. So there is an argument that price could base and then sort of extend up. Not sure about that yet. So decided to enter a short-term swing, looking for something approaching just something approaching kind of this level here, this 310. So just a breakdown here and then back to do a retest for now, and then going to keep an eye on it thereafter to see if price does kind of keep going down, or whether we start to kind of flip these levels, in which case this could be a nice midterm swing, maybe looking to catch the 1618. But level to level, I think on this one, let's just put on our algo. Let's get rid of the MAs. And what's staring at us is that price came all the way back down, and mid-range is here. So although we've pushed away, this is now a risk that price has lost this level here. Let's get rid of all of these things here. So range high and mid-range. This level here was quite important. So tagged it on the way up, and here what we should have done is really test it for support. So we sold aggressively down, didn't get quite down to the mid-range. So this level now is definitely the resistance level to watch. So 314, 315, 314, 314. We're bouncing off of this this quadrant here, and that's the underside retest that I'm looking for. And then to watch it, if it flips, then you're looking to close this gap over the rest of the year. But if it struggles here, then there is a potential move back down to this mid-range. So in the middle of nowhere, but on a short-term basis, if we look at some of the price action algos here, we've got a low, and then we've got a lower low, but the actual indicators here have printed a higher low, and so that looks like a bit of a bit of a bull div that's formed there. So we can see it a little bit better if we just do something like that. This would be something that you could see on RSI type of activity, and there's a push up. So for the rest of this week, we're in this trade now, looking for not looking for very much actually, but level by level. So 3025 is the initial take profit, which would get us a couple of percentage points, and then look to see if there is if there's any decent flow of options flow, to see if we can maybe get back up to the underside retest there. All right, probably gonna keep an eye on this for the rest of this week, maybe part of next week. May not post about it every day because there's some other trades that are setting up. The TQQ video yesterday is definitely something that's pointing. Still expecting a bit of weakness for the rest of the week because of news events, and then a pop up on that, which may also drag up things like Palo Alto networks. All right,